Welcome back to Brittology. Imagine leaving behind the limitations of traditional travel and stepping into a world where luxury follows you wherever you go. A world where five-star comfort, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design come together on wheels. Today we are exploring the Eternal Luxury Motorhome, an extraordinary palace on wheels that redefines what it means to travel in style. At first glance, the Eternal Luxury Motorhome looks more like a futuristic luxury mansion than a conventional recreational vehicle. Its sleek aerodynamic body, premium exterior finish, and commanding presence instantly make it stand out from anything else on the road. Every curve and detail has been carefully designed to create a vehicle that combines elegance, performance, and practicality in one stunning package. As the massive automatic door opens, you are welcomed into an interior that rivals some of the world's most luxurious penthouses. High-end materials are visible everywhere, from polished marble surfaces and handcrafted wood, finishes to premium leather seating and custom ambient lighting. Every element has been selected to create a sophisticated atmosphere that feels both luxurious and comfortable. The main living area is designed as a spacious open-concept lounge. Plush reclining sofas provide the perfect place to relax, while large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Whether parked beside a mountain range, overlooking a beach, or resting in the countryside, the Eternal Luxury Motorhome transforms every destination into a private luxury retreat. Entertainment is a major focus inside this remarkable vehicle. A giant ultra-high-definition smart television rises automatically from a concealed cabinet, creating a cinema-like experience. Advanced surround sound speakers deliver crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin, while high-speed satellite internet ensures that passengers remain connected no matter how remote their location may be. Whether streaming movies, attending virtual meetings, or browsing online, connectivity is never a concern. Moving toward the kitchen reveals another impressive feature. Unlike the compact kitchens typically found in motorhomes, the Eternal Luxury Motorhome offers a fully equipped gourmet cooking space. Premium appliances, induction cooktops, smart refrigerators, built-in ovens, and elegant stone countertops create a professional-grade environment. Travelers can prepare anything from quick snacks to elaborate gourmet meals without sacrificing convenience or comfort. Adjacent to the kitchen is a beautifully designed dining area. Luxurious seating surrounds a handcrafted dining table, providing an elegant space for family meals, business discussions, or evening gatherings. The carefully positioned lighting creates a warm atmosphere that enhances every dining experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Eternal Luxury Motorhome is its master bedroom. Designed to provide maximum comfort and privacy, the bedroom features a king-size bed with premium bedding and custom-designed furnishings. Soft lighting, stylish decor, and panoramic windows create a peaceful sanctuary where travelers can relax after a long day on the road. Storage is integrated seamlessly throughout the room, ensuring that every item has its place without compromising aesthetics. Smart climate control systems allow occupants to customize temperature settings for optimal comfort during every season. Whether traveling through snowy mountain regions or warm coastal destinations, the interior environment remains perfectly balanced. The luxury continues inside the bathroom, which resembles a high-end hotel spa rather than a typical motorhome washroom. Elegant marble finishes, designer fixtures, spacious showers, and premium amenities create an environment of pure relaxation. Some versions even include heated flooring and smart mirrors equipped with advanced digital features. Technology plays a critical role in making the Eternal Luxury Motorhome one of the most advanced vehicles of its kind. Integrated smart home controls allow passengers to manage lighting, entertainment systems, security features, and climate settings using touchscreens or mobile devices. Everything is designed to maximize convenience while maintaining a seamless luxury experience. Safety is equally impressive. Advanced driver assistance systems monitor surrounding traffic and road conditions in real time. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance technology, and multiple high-definition cameras provide additional confidence during long journeys. These innovations help make driving such a large luxury vehicle safer and more comfortable. Power and sustainability are also major priorities. The Eternal Luxury Motorhome is equipped with advanced energy management systems that combine powerful battery storage, solar technology, and efficient generators. This setup allows travelers to enjoy modern comforts even when parked far away from traditional infrastructure. Air conditioning, entertainment systems, kitchen appliances, and lighting can operate efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. Outdoor living has not been overlooked either. At the touch of a button, large retractable awnings extend from the side of the vehicle, creating a luxurious outdoor lounge area. Comfortable seating, integrated lighting, and optional outdoor entertainment systems transform the surrounding space into a private resort-like environment. It is the perfect setting for relaxing under the stars or entertaining guests in complete comfort. For travelers who value exclusivity, customization options are nearly limitless. Owners can choose from a variety of premium materials, layouts, technology packages, and design themes. Some versions even include private offices, fitness spaces, wine storage areas, and dedicated gaming rooms. This level of personalization ensures that each Eternal Luxury Motorhome reflects the lifestyle and preferences of its owner. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its ability to combine freedom and luxury in a way that few vehicles can achieve. Traditional luxury homes remain fixed in one location, while hotels require constant relocation and planning. The Eternal Luxury Motorhome eliminates these limitations by allowing owners to carry their luxury lifestyle wherever they choose to travel. Imagine waking up beside a pristine lake one morning, enjoying lunch overlooking dramatic mountain peaks, and spending the evening parked near a stunning coastline, all without ever leaving the comfort of your own luxury residence. This is the unique experience that the Eternal Luxury Motorhome makes possible. As luxury travel continues to evolve, vehicles like the Eternal Luxury Motorhome represent the future of mobile living. They offer an unprecedented combination of comfort, technology, flexibility, and sophistication. More than just a motorhome, it is a statement of innovation, freedom, and refined living. For those who dream of exploring the world without sacrificing luxury, the Eternal Luxury Motorhome stands as one of the most impressive creations ever built. It is not simply transportation. It is a moving palace, a private sanctuary, and an unforgettable travel experience unlike anything else on the road. Thank you for joining us on Breathtaking. If you enjoyed this journey inside the Eternal Luxury Motorhome, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exploration of the world's most extraordinary luxury creations. Until next time, keep discovering the finest innovations, dream destinations, and ultimate lifestyles with Breathtaking.